is Elon Musk, who has commented on the Indian electoral process. And Elon Musk goes on to say that, look at what's happening in India. India has counted 640 million votes in one day, but California is still counting votes. So he in a way is lauding the Indian electoral process. He in a way is saying that look at the efficiency with which India conducts its elections. India has counted 640 million votes in a day, but California is still counting votes. This is also coming at a time when the narrative in the country by the opposition party is that where it blames not just the EVMs, but also, the EC. They have always been on a tirade against the EC whenever they've lost elections. Let me go across to Pragya. Pragya, right now it is Elon Musk who has also commented that in India, 640 million votes are counted in a day. Results are declared after the counting of votes in a day. And look at California, where the counting is still on. It's a sharp contrast to the kind of narrative that the opposition wants to push when it comes to the entire, process of elections, the EC and also the EVMs.
Also feels good, every time someone else compliment on election system and any system in India for that matter. This is a tech giant who has in fact applauded the voting system in India, and this is a validation also. Remember, California is one of the biggest states, and obviously there are many votes, and there is a system that is very different. There is a counting of the ballot boxes. In fact, when it comes to voting, there are approximately 5,70,000 some votes that are remain to be counted even after the election that took place on November 7th about the presidency of Mr. Donald Trump. So this is also a stark comparison between how the democracies and developed nations like America are dealing with the voting system and the election system, and how advanced the system and mature democracy like India is dealing with it. And this is obviously a compliment, acknowledgement and applause that has come from the tech giant, none other than, I would say, one of the members of the Trump cabinet, Elon Musk. And this is also, a statement that can be used by the BJP against the opposition, saying even the validation for the countries.
While the opposition continues, the EC has been at the receiving end of the opposition for years now. They have questioned the integrity of the EC. They have questioned the integrity of the EVMs. Almost, it has almost become like a templated script of the opposition whenever they lose elections. But also highlight the kind of efforts and the preparations that the EC puts in to conduct elections in a smooth and in a free and fair manner.
Where you are absolutely right. It's a massive exercise that EC takes, and not just in assembly elections. Look at the Lok Sabha elections, the magnitude of the election that EC conducts, and there is practically no complaint, and there's a redressal system also, because all the parties can come to ECI, lodge their complaint. This can be looked into. There could be investigation. So look at the precise, the whole system that ECI has devised, and look at the volume of the the votes that come into the place, and the manpower that the ECI places in every state when it comes to election. And in fact, even after that, ECI does not take too much of time, unlike other countries like America.
Yes.
The efficiency is precise, and I would say the integrity is also no one can question, apart from opposition, which is crying over the EVMs and not over the system and free and fair elections. When it comes to the Lok Sabha election, obviously assembly election, there are some internal, there are some factors at the state level that opposition can always blame, but they have a redressal system. They can go to the State Election Commission, they can approach Election Commission of India, and they can go to court also. They have done that in the past, and we had also seen the results being turned around by the courts if they found anything not free and fair election had taken place. So all of that is taken into consideration and worked upon by ECI in next election. So this this is a system that everyone is looking at. In fact, it is an example and it is a case study for every other democracy to look into, and also to see how efficiently we do the elections here in India.
Surprised, Pragya, if the opposition now comes out and say Elon Musk has become a Sanghi and Elon Musk is now pushing the Bharatiya Janata Party's narrative just because the opposition has lost in the state of Maharashtra. Thank you so much, Pragya, for joining us.